Those days that you don't want to do anything, where you're too tired, too sore, you just don't feel like it, those days, those are the days that count. When you have those feelings, it's even more important to step up and get some. If you got something to do, don't put it off till tomorrow. Don't do that. Don't voluntarily do anything tomorrow that you should be getting done today. Get it done today. Don't wait. Attack it, destroy it, and move on.
Every single day when you wake up, you got two options. You can look at the clock and hit the snooze. You can look at that snooze button, boom. You can hit the snooze button and go back to bed and dream about what you want to have. Or you can look at that snooze button, kick that clock, and get up and go pursue your dreams.
Had a great time. Had a really good time. Really glad that Kyle from CNP came down. Huge thanks to Wade and huge thanks to you know, the guys that have been supporting me, helping me out, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. If you know, you can, just any of these, hit them. All these little sons of bitches, hit them. Like them, comment, share, save it, whatever. I do appreciate it. It really does help.
All right, guys, so got it done. Good time hanging out with Colt. We made 7 stands total, and saw we got shots at 2 coyotes and saw a third one. We didn't have an opportunity to get a shot on it, but got a female, small pup female, and then a pretty good sized male. It's a real pretty one here. So got a headshot on this.
About 240, yeah.
240 yards, got a nice eye shot on this guy, real pretty one. So, a lot of fun. I like, you know, down here in this part of Ohio, I like, you know, there's definitely more population down here, and I heard that we had one spot where they just all lit up because Colt busted out his little squeaker.
Yeah, my magic squeaker.
And then about 40 of them opened up in every direction, so don't underestimate the power of the squeaker.
Yeah, we were able to get it done. I'm running the 243 on this hunt, and big thanks to Wade hooking me up with a good Pulsar scope.
Yeah, we're both running the Pulsars, good scopes. Yeah, so it was a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to doing it again. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, I always like to ask you to, if you can, help me out. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it, comment on it. So I appreciate all your support, guys.
Yeah, it does mean a lot. I mean, it really does help too. I don't know if you know that, but it really does benefit us.
Thanks, guys.
Come on, players, stop hating. Stop hating. Start participating. Start participating, Star. Come on, twinkle, twinkle, baby. Twinkle, twinkle.
Sorry for the countdown. Those cows far back. Yeah. Sorry. They're way back there. Hey guys, it's Colt from Coyote Academy. Dude, what a freaking great night. So, you know, the plan was Kyle from CNP Outdoors was coming down, and we've been hunting a couple times now, and we went out and, you know, the first time we went out hunting, we just hunted a couple spots, kind of really just checking out locations, and really did a little bit of locating. But tonight we got out, we ended up doing like 7 stands. The one location we did 2 stands on it, so, you know, what, 6 stands maybe, and we ended up being able to shoot 2. We were able to shoot and recover 2. We did see a 3rd coyote. We were on this crepe ground or CRP ground, and you know, they got the crepe grown up, but they mow around and they mow some strips down through it, and so we were kind of just hunting that, just kind of really just testing it out. I think it's going to be a good, you know, some of those properties are going to be really good to throw into like the wheelhouse, or, you know, throw into the mix. But that, well, it was actually the first coyote that we saw. We just weren't able to get a shot on it. It came out. Kyle's like, hey, the coyote. Well, it's like 70 yards, and I shouldn't even have tried to adjust. I should have just, you know, looking back, or, you know, we can say it now because hindsight, you know, it's like, well, he shouldn't even, no. He should have said what he said, but I shouldn't have adjusted, in my opinion, and he should have just been like, hey, I'm killing it. It just it didn't pan out that way. We didn't get discouraged. We called, tried to get it to come back out of the crepe, and you know, realized, hey, look, let's just get on to greener pastures, really. So we ended up going out to this spot that I'd been kind of watching and making sure, you know, that the pasture field was going to be cut, and we got out there. They started lighting up everywhere, man. It was awesome, really. But it's like, man, nothing's really coming in. Getting them to light up, getting them to respond, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, hey, look, there's something coming through. Hell, at first I thought it was a damn bobcat, just the way it was acting. Then I'm like, nah, it's doing kickbacks, like, you know, and oh, there's the tail. Like, you could finally, you know, see it coming out of the tree line, and we were able to get that one down. And then the next stop, we had them lighten up again. We were probably 3/4 of a mile away on another place, and then we went probably 2 miles after that, and then that's where we killed the final coyote. We did make another stand after that, but this was also in another pasture field. It had just been cut. They had just baled it, so it was a really good setup. I mean, the crest of this hill, there's like a little island of trees. We got tucked in there. The moon was full, so we had good cover there. And to be honest with you, we had really good cover on where we killed the other coyote at. And honestly, I just pulled right off the side of the road. There was another little island of trees. We just walked on the other side of it, 15 feet, 20 feet, and then but we were set up and we were in the shade. We were back in the kind of like not, we weren't silhouetted like, you know, like a sore thumb, because the moon was bright. So to get those two down, and then, you know, to hear some more. And actually we did see a fourth coyote, but it was way back just booger barking. And I was going to throw a shot up, but it was like 330. And I just like, it's better just to take what I can get right now. It's not like I'm pressed for trying to get like a tournament number or something. So just had a great time. Had a really good time. Really, really glad Kyle from CNP came down. Huge thanks to Wade, and huge thanks to you know, the guys that have been supporting me, helping me out, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. If you know, you can, just any of these, hit them. All these little sons of bitches, hit them. Like them, comment, share, save it, whatever. I do appreciate it. It really does help. Hopefully I can just keep getting more content and getting more videos of coyote hunts and coyote trapping. And we're going to be doing a lot of beaver trapping this year. We're going to be doing a lot of raccoon trapping this year. So I'm really excited for what's coming up, and you can't keep a good man down. Colt from Coyote Academy, guys. Thanks.